Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed for you guys this kind of Ariana Grande inspired makeup tutorial. So if you guys know me, you know that I'm in love with Ariana Grande. She's my literal girl crush. I love her. I think she's so pretty and I love her music. So I figured I'd do a look inspired by her. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. I'm going to actually go in with my concealer as the base for my eyeshadow. Next, taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Bay, which is this shade right over here, just to set that concealer. After that, I'm gonna take the shade Shy, which is this one over here. It's like this mauve-y kind of shade. And I'm gonna put that just right above the crease. I feel like she doesn't really wear like too much eyeshadow most of the time. She usually just has like a really prominent winged eyeliner and like some nice lashes, so that's kind of what we're gonna go for. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Moon Dust, which is this shimmery shade over here. I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and line my upper lash line with a black eyeliner. Then I'm gonna go back to the shade Shy, that mauve shade that we used from the palette, and I'm just going to deepen it up in the crease a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to line my lash line. And for this part, we're going to really focus on keeping the inner corner of the eye as thin as possible and then thickening it out at the outer corner of the eye and the wing of the liner. She always kind of flicks her eyeliner like upwards, like not straight. She kind of flicks it up, so that's what I did here. So let's do the other eye. Hopefully it matches. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara just right before I apply my lashes. In the meantime, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and as usual, I'm going to use my Anastasia Dipbrow and my 7B brush. So the next thing I want to do is lashes, and I'm going to be using, I get these lashes from Walmart actually. They're like super cheap, but they're really similar to the Ardell Whisties. I get them in like a pack of 5 for like $13, and they're perfect for everyday lashes. And so these ones are called Kiss lashes. They come like this in this like pack of 5. Her lashes usually look really like wispy, not too spidery, so I thought these would be perfect. Also guys, I totally destroyed my phone. It's the first time I break it in like a really long time. It's just completely shattered. Yep. That's my life. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, the next thing I'm going to do is start with my face, and the primer that I'm using today is this Boscia Pore-Fecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. It's a long name, but it's this one over here. And for foundation, the one I'm using today is my Tarte Amazonian Clay. This one is in light medium sand. Alright guys, next I'm gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna use my Urban Decay Naked Skin in light neutral, just to highlight the under eyes. I'm gonna set my concealer with my translucent powder and this brush. For contour, I'm going to be using my NARS Laguna. It's this one right over here. I'm going to carve out my cheekbones. So just to carve out the cheekbones a little bit more, I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to contrast that contour. I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Contour my nose a little bit, so I'm going to go back to the NARS Laguna. For blush, I'm going to use the Orgasm blush that's in this palette over here. Why I feel like that brush is not picking up a lot of product. I'm gonna go back to my Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna take the shade Shy and just line the lower lash line a little bit. For setting spray, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. And And I'm gonna go back in with the shade Moon Dust, and I'm gonna take a wet brush. I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eye and under my brow. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit What's Up, and I'm gonna highlight a little bit more on my nose. And also my cheekbones. So last but not least, I'm gonna do the lips, and for that, I'm gonna first go in with my MAC eyeliner. This one is Whirl, and I'm just gonna line the edges. So I'm gonna do the Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna do the bottom of my lip. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this other liner. It's by Annabelle. It's called Buff. It's like a really pretty pinkish liner. And I'm going to kind of go over the rest of my lips with this liner. And then what I'm going to do is go in with this MAC lipstick. It's called Pretty Please. I'm going to put that right in the center. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was a lot of fun to do. I'm obsessed with Ariana Grande and I love her. I think she's so beautiful, and it was really fun to kind of recreate one of her looks. I'll probably be doing more soon. But if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. You can leave some ideas for some other videos you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I seriously have a problem today. Gotta be shitting me! So next I'm gonna put a little bit, and then I'm also gonna go in with my Benefit What's Up, and I'm gonna, what the